It will be violation required violation approval set. Retry request. Okay, here the policy scheme. You have to make them as interactive. Then only it won't allow you to submit. Okay. If it is none, it won't check for any policy. The disable policy checking. If it is continue, if there is any policy violation, even though it will allow you to submit. Okay, if it is interactive, then only it won't allow it should not allow requester to submit access request. So these are the things, these are the variable you can handle. So using this, the first time, try to submit access request with none. First try to define some policy in your system. After that, just try to change this variable name called policy scheme. Here, just make them as none. Save and try to submit one access request. After that, try with continue, try with interactive, try with fail. So what will happen? So just try to work around in your environment, in your local system. Okay. Using this policy scheme, you can define. So how you want to handle. The same way, we have other couple of variables as well. Like allowed request with violation, require violation, review comments. So just try to go through.